Okay, it's a cool evening here in Arizona. I think we're down to about 90 something degrees. Since my brother and I fitted the new top, I have not opened it. I closed it with a lot of manual force. So what I'm going to do now is soak it and then see if I can open it. Wish me luck. Successfully. Well, it was. Fuck me, yeah. My efforts and my brother's efforts getting this sorted proves that even two idiots like us can do it. Take your time, think about it, and we got there. My brother did a lot of work on the headlining. I did a lot of work on the rest of it, but combined, the brothers me's sorted this out. And yes, unfortunately, my brother had to go back to Delaware, and so I had to finish it. And no, I still haven't finished it. Don't get excited, I haven't put all the panels back yet, but I finished it with making the roof up and go up and down. Fuck me, yes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Trevor. Just a short video to say, fuck me, thank you.